We live in a remarkable time. Technology is everywhere. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, our lives are intertwined with digital devices. It connects us, it empowers us. It brings us closer to loved ones and opens up new avenues for collaboration and creativity. And now it can unlock new income streams. Imagine turning your everyday device into a powerful tool for financial growth. Your smartphone is no longer just for calls and social media. It's a gateway to opportunities that can change your life. It can be your ticket to financial freedom. Imagine the joy of earning money with just a few taps on your screen. Cellphonecash.co is here to make that happen. Our mission is to empower you to take control of your financial future. We believe everyone deserves the opportunity to earn, regardless of their background or technical skills. Our platform is designed to be inclusive and user-friendly. Our platform is simple, accessible, and designed to help you make money using the device you already have in your pocket. No complicated setups or technical know-how required. Imagine earning extra cash while waiting for an appointment. Turn idle moments into profitable opportunities. Picture yourself paying off bills with income generated during your commute. Every moment can be a chance to earn. That's the power Cellphonecash.co puts in your hands. The ability to transform your smartphone into a source of income. It's time to unlock your phone's earning potential. Start your journey with Cellphonecash.co today and see how your smartphone can change your life. For too long, earning money online has felt complicated. Technical jargon, confusing websites, and hidden fees have kept many people from reaching their full potential. Cellphonecash.co is changing that. Our mission is simple: to make earning money online accessible to everyone. We believe students, stay-at-home parents, retirees, and aspiring entrepreneurs should have the same opportunities to succeed. No matter your background, Cellphonecash.co provides the tools and support you need. We've created a platform that is easy to understand and even easier to use. No technical expertise is required, just a smartphone and a desire to earn. With Cellphonecash.co, financial freedom is no longer a distant dream. It's a real possibility. Cellphonecash.co is built for busy individuals. We understand that your time is valuable. That's why we've designed our platform with simplicity in mind. Whether you have 5 minutes or 5 hours, you can earn with Cellphonecash.co. Our user-friendly interface makes navigating the platform a breeze. Choose from a variety of simple tasks that fit your interests and schedule. Complete surveys, watch videos, or test apps. The options are endless. Each task comes with clear instructions and a fixed payout, so you always know what to expect. We believe earning money should be straightforward and rewarding. With Cellphonecash.co, it is. Spend less time figuring out complicated systems and more time earning real money. It's that easy. Your journey to success begins here. Imagine waking up every day with the freedom to work from anywhere at any time. That's the promise of Cellphonecash.co. Ready to embark on your path to financial freedom. With Cellphonecash.co, you can turn your spare time into a profitable venture. Getting started with Cellphonecash.co is quick and easy. No complicated processes or lengthy forms. Just a few simple steps. Simply visit our website and create your free account. Enter your basic information and you're all set to go. It takes just a few minutes. In no time, you'll be ready to start earning. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to a dashboard that displays available tasks, your earnings and payout options. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. Browse through the tasks and choose the ones that appeal to you. Whether you prefer quick tasks or more involved projects, there's something for everyone. Complete them at your own pace and watch your earnings grow. The more you complete, the more you earn. We're here to support you every step of the way. Our community is built on helping each other succeed. Our dedicated customer support team is available 24/7 to answer any questions you may have. Whether it's a technical issue or a simple query, we're here for you. We also provide helpful resources and tips to maximize your earnings. From instructional videos to detailed guides, we've got you covered. Your success is our priority. Join cellphonecash.co today and start your journey towards financial independence. Real people, real success. These are not just stories, they are real-life transformations that have taken place thanks to cellphonecash.co. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to the voices of those who have walked this path and found success. Hear what real cellphonecash.co users have to say about their experiences. Their stories are a testament to the impact our platform can have. From students paying off student loans to stay-at-home parents earning extra income, our platform has helped countless individuals achieve their financial goals. It's about making dreams a reality. As a single mum, finding time to work a traditional job was impossible, says Sarah, a cellphonecash.co user. She found a way to balance her responsibilities and still earn a living with cellphonecash.co, I can earn money while my kids are asleep. It's been a lifesaver. Sarah's story is just one of many that highlight the flexibility and convenience our platform offers. John, a retiree, shares, I was skeptical at first, but cellphonecash.co has been a great way to supplement my retirement income. It has given me peace of mind and financial stability. It's easy to use, and I enjoy having extra spending money. John now has the freedom to enjoy his retirement without financial worries. These are just a few examples of the many success stories we hear every day. Each story is unique, but they all share a common theme of empowerment and financial independence. Cellphonecash.co is more than just a platform. It's a lifeline for many, providing opportunities that were once out of reach. It's a community of individuals who are taking control of their financial futures. Join us and become part of a movement that is changing lives, one success story at a time. Take control of your future. Financial freedom, it's a goal many of us strive for. The ability to live life on your own terms without worrying about money. With cellphonecash.co, that dream is closer than you think. Imagine paying off debt faster, saving for a dream vacation, or simply having the peace of mind that comes with financial security. These are all possibilities when you unlock the earning potential of your smartphone. Cellphonecash.co empowers you to take control of your finances, no more relying on a single income stream or feeling stuck in a dead-end job. With dedication and a little effort, you can achieve the financial freedom you deserve. Join the cellphonecash.co community. What are you waiting for? Your smartphone is your key to unlocking a world of income opportunities. Join the cellphonecash.co community today and start earning money on your own terms. It's time to ditch the outdated notion that earning money requires special skills or a traditional job. With cellphonecash.co, anyone can earn, regardless of their background or experience. All you need is a smartphone and a desire to succeed. Take the first step towards financial freedom. Sign up for your free cellphonecash.co account today and start earning money with the device you already have in your pocket. Your journey to financial independence starts now.